Welcome. In this course we are going to learn how to create software. So in this video's description you can get full playlist of this course video. If you are excited to create your own software, this course is for you. So let's start it. So when you see thumbnail of this video, you are excited must. So how to create software? That is very important to know. Create your own software, that's an amazing things. Okay. So what have to require to create your own software? You have to learn programming language. What is programming? Programming is not English, Bengali or Hindi language. It's a language we can communicate with computer. That's very pretty good. So before we can begin to write seriously programming C, it would be interesting to find out what really is C, how to write programming language, how it came into existence, and how does it compare with other programming languages. So it is designed by and written by Dennis Ritchie. Computer do not understand our English, Bengali, Hindi, Japanese language. It's only understand programming language. We have to learn programming language. That's very easy. So why we learn C programming language? There are many lots of programming language, but why we learn C? That's a very important. It is a mother language of all programming language. If you know C, you can do everything. So getting started with C. Communication with a computer involves speaking the language the computer understands, which immediately roll out English as the language of communication with computer. However, there is a close analogy between learning English language and learning C language. The classical method of learning English is to first learn the alphabet used in language. We know we have to learn at first alphabet, then we can create a word, and after that we can create a sentence. So that's very pretty good. If you don't know any one single line of code, oh, that's very pretty. One word of code, this course is for you, and just keep patience and watch full video. Then learn to combine these alphabets to form words, as I say, which is in turn are combined to form a sentence, and sentences are combined to form a paragraph. Learning C is similar type of that. Instead of straight away learning how to write programs, we must first know what alphabet, numbers and special symbols are used in C. Then how using them, constants, variables and keyword are constructed, and finally how are these combined to form an instruction. A group of instruction would be combined later on the form of a program. To write code a single line, what we have to know? So we have to know constant, variable, keywords, type of C constants, and what is the rules of constructing integer constant, types of variable, etc. That's a funny thing. I think you are enjoy this course. I am definitely going to. So what is require? If you have a laptop, that's pretty good. If not, don't worry, we can continue on a smartphone. We can explain and how to run, how to write programming language detailedly one by one. Don't need to worry, just keep patience and watch the video. You can get full playlist of the C programming language, and we at last make a beautiful software. In this course we should learn C constructs. We all learn one by one. Just keep patience. Decision control instruction, what is that? Don't need to worry. If you are beginner, that's course for you. We have to know more complex decision making, loop control, that's pretty good, loop, and more complex repetition, case control, switch case function, pointer. What is that? You at first time you hear it, but don't need to worry, we learn one by one. And what is pointer, what is recursion, what is the data type revised it, that's pretty much array, multi-dimensional, that is very important, string handling, file handling, structure. So how can give a input and take output, and console input output, etc. So C programming language, that's a pretty good programming language. It is a mother of all language, and please help everyone and subscribe my channel and learn A to Z C programming and how to create your own software. And you have to create your own software, and you can do everything. So please share this video, help your friends, your child and your brother, sister to know how to create software and how it works. That's pretty good. Okay, see you. Thank you. See you in next video. I'm enjoying this course. You are definitely going to. So thank you.